Hey, friends. I've got something awesome to share. I couldn't wait to show you this best car microphone Bluetooth. It's that good. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. Let's start with the craftsmanship. It's so clean and minimalist. I was instantly hooked when I saw it. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. Now, about the value you're getting here. Affordable doesn't even begin to describe it. It's an amazing value. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. This is a real multitasker for your routine. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this is made for you. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch, this offer won't last forever. Click the link below and secure the best possible price. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing find.